You are welcome to Speed Recovery Mindset. Today we are going to discuss the three attitudes of the rich and the poor. Rich people think about how to get a business and do what is easy, whilst poor people think about how to work hard and get money. Because our society also teaches us that to be rich and to get money to take care of family, what you have to do is to work very hard. But the reality is, working hard is not what you will get money. Because I see so many people working hard, doing so many hard works, but it seems they look the same as how they were yesterday. It's because the equation is wrong. Rich people don't work very hard. If you look at Elon Musk, if you look at all the rich people around you, you can see that the hard work they used to do is not the type of works poor people think about when they think about to work hard. As poor people used to work very hard than rich people. The secret behind why rich people do what is easy to save more time. In your life, why you are here is about time. You are here between time and space, and no matter what you do, you are still growing. The amount of time you put in a work should be the average income you're supposed to gain. So if you are not gaining as much as you work, then your equation is wrong. So if you want to be rich, what you have to do is to don't think about hard work to get rich. Think about easy things that will make you rich. Think about things that does not require your full body energy, but what requires a least amount of body and all your mind, and you will get out of the poverty. Number 2, the most important thing to rich people is time. It's very difficult for the poor to understand what is time. Of course, poor people never think about time. They think about what they do within the day without thinking about the amount of time they spend and what they are doing. Rich people always think about their time. That's the reason why they find what is easy to do, so that they can do so many things within a short period of time. They will employ people. They give other jobs to people to save much time. The mindset of the poor is to work hard, never thinking about the day, never thinking about the amount of time he spends in what they are doing. They just do what they are doing, and at the end of the day, they will come out nothing. They will come out with penny, with the whole day being spent out. If you want to be rich, start thinking about time. The job you are doing, everything you are doing, think about the amount of time you spend in what you are doing. Because if you don't, you end up having nothing. Look at how your parents being in the same world, never making anything, because they don't think about the time and the amount of money they make. To get successful is thinking about time and how to give other works to people to save more time to do other things, to grow your business and to do some things else with your life. Again, what poor people always do is to copy what the rich is doing. Poor people sometimes copy what the society is doing and try to do the same thing. That's a poor mindset. Never thinks about what the society is doing. Never thinks, I want to do this business, I want to do this business, without thinking about who is going to buy the thing, which people are here for me. Thinks about the people who is going to buy the thing. What I'm doing, is it valuable to people? Find something unique and start doing it. Don't just do things you see the society doing. Because if you do, no one is going to mind you. You can't force people to buy what you are selling. You can't force people to buy your product. You can't go to God and tell God for people to buy what they don't want. Your equation is wrong. Find something unique. What's the things people said? What's the things people are saying they don't want? And what's the thing they say they want? Find something unique. Find something people will be willing to buy. People will be willing to spend their money for. This is what the rich do. The rich find something unique and they spend all their money, all their energy on that. If you spend your money and your mentality, everything on what people are doing in the society, what people are selling, the same thing people is doing is not the same thing you should also do. Do something unique. That's what makes the rich always richer, because they do something you can't do it. They do something unique. Find something unique and work on it each day. Thank you today, and we are going to continue with this. Thank you for being with me. I appreciate your patience to end this video.